first cast, we have a little tiny guy. Have a little guy for our first fish of the day, first cast. We have our second fish. It's a little bigger than the first. It's got a little bit of a belly to him. Here's the second fish of the day. So I caught 2 sunnies with the survival rod in about 5 minutes. And I could do that for like an hour and catch about 20 fish. But I'm sure you don't want to see that. So now I'm going to switch over to my regular rod and try and catch some bigger ones. Oh, we got one, we got one. Catfish, catfish, catfish. Oh, let's go! We got one. It's a nice size too. I'll bring him over here. Nice size catfish here. Look at the mouth on that thing. He's got the whiskers. It's pretty big. That's how big it is compared to the size of my hand. Got pretty small hands. Look at this thing. Okay. I'm gonna get the hook out. So you know how people say if you catch a fish on your first cast, it's bad luck? That's true for me today, because as soon as I switched to my regular rod, I caught 1 fish my first cast, and that was that big catfish, and I've been here for like an hour, and I still haven't caught another fish. So I'm gonna sign off for today. I'll see you next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.